In February 1980, OMD released a song that only reached number 67 in the UK chart. A song about a phone box in Meols on the Wirral has remained a landmark with the fans for 40 years. But the next part of the story didn't evolve until 2017 when BT arrived and took the phone box, ripping it from Pop Memorabilia. But the subsequent formation of the Friends of the phone box is back, and after 2 years of restoration, turning it into a mini museum for fans of the band to come and visit. Today, the box was recognised with a Blue Plaque from Conservation Areas Wirral, the Deputy Lord Mayor and Andy McCluskey himself.
There we go.
A video of the full ceremony and fans' reaction can be found in the description of this video.